Highly recommend it. I think I paid $280 for it when it was on sale, so they usually go for like $300, $320. Yeah, amazing, love it. Then we got the Aeroflow Dynamics right here.
How many ways can I say it, man? Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own way, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes that light up the night.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope everybody's doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Saturday. Happy Memorial Weekend to all of y'all. And before we get this video started, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can enjoy that future content that's coming up. Therefore, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. All right, so in today's video, I'm just going to go over the modifications that have been done to my Type R project so far, and what is exactly coming up to add to that project. So, all right, guys, I'm going to turn the camera around here. Well, as you can see, here's the Type R in all its glory. Let's start with the wheels. People have been asking me, what are these wheels exactly? Well, they're a bronze slash like brushed finish, and they're from Vivid Racing. It's their own wheel brand that is coming up. These are the prototypes that are now installed on my car. The size is 18 by 9.5 with the 45 offset, wrapped in Toyo Proxies 255 35/18. However, my next tires, as you can see, there's still a little gap right here. I want to fill it with 265 35/18. Probably sticking with Toyos or going back to Michelin's. All right, and this car is lowered on H&R Performance springs, so there's that. Coming over here, we have the OP7 tail lights. You guys have seen this in previous videos. These are the clears. These are not the smoke. They're actually clears. Thinking about taking the Civic off completely or blacking it out to match everything else. Same with the Honda. That chrome is just weird. I don't know why they did that. That's cool, leaving that obviously. So we got an EPR carbon fiber spoiler wing coming up here. It does have a little bit of a lift. You guys, that's been ordered. It's about a month away, like in July. It takes a while, okay? Then we have the Synth carbon fiber door handles with the Mugen door protectors. All right, there we go. These are from Pro Civic. This is a dry carbon and it's Alpha. That's the name of the brand from Pro Civic themselves. Love them. They're not easy to install, but once they're on there, solid. Awesome, thumbs up. Then we have the side markers here. Oh, there's my shadow. We have the side markers here by NS Lumo, I believe is what they're called. These guys sell out real quick. As you can see, it is a perfect fitment. Love them. Another thumbs up. I might be switching out this grill to Jay's Racing. I'm not sure. I actually like the way the 21 grill sits. But as we're looking at the front here, I am not putting yellow on the fog lights. No, I don't like that at all. It's not an SGP. Maybe blue or yellow, whatever, but red even, but not in SGP. So I am not doing that. Okay, now for the splitter, I'm sure you guys are wondering, I'm gonna go with Flow Designs Australia, and it's gonna be actually not just the front, it'll be the full kit. So the front, side splitters, okay, rear splitters, and rear diffuser. So this will be added on right there. All right, so that's the exterior. Anything else I'm missing? Oh yeah, Synth carbon fiber hood scoop. Love it, highly recommend it. I think I paid $280 for it when it was on sale, so they usually go for like $300, $320. Yeah, amazing, love it. Then we got the Aeroflow Dynamics right here. Yeah, window deflectors, whatever you want to call them, rain guards, yeah, all that. Okay, coming into the interior, I did this in the nighttime video, just show you real quick again. Here's the Synth carbon, and this is called Red Reflections. Yes, it's real carbon fiber. Yes, it's stick on right there as well, and that's from Dennis or the Nice, whatever you call it. Synth carbon right here as well, so it's part of the 3-piece dash set. Coming into the interior right there, Synth carbon again. Yes, they're all ceramic coated, even the doors, sides right here. Just get a close-up, red reflections, beautiful. Highly recommend Synth carbon products. You got Revel GT carbon. There's in the daytime dry carbon right there. Okay, Skunk 2 shift knob and Revel GT carbon surround shifter. All right, now give me a second. I'm going to open up the hood. I don't want to do that with the camera moving and everything, so let me put it on this tripod real quick and I'll be right back. All right guys, so for this part of the video, I wanted to show you how the Type R looks at night on the outside, how it looks at night on the inside. That includes the additional mods that I did to make it obviously look the way it does, right? So we're gonna start with the key fob right here. We're gonna unlock. It'll go from an amber to a white, which pretty much matches the headlights right here on the CTR. So those are pretty cool. They're actually called switch paths. And well, let me open this door again real quick. All right, so now I wanted to show you the OLEDs on the Op7s. As you can see, zooming out with the camera, they are extremely bright. And the door is open, so these lights will stay on here. There you go. Coming back to the front again, here's the other side. As you can see, super bright. Very, very bright actually. Especially, I think they were like $38, $42 or something for both of those side markers, which is just amazing. Anyways, all right guys, so this part I want to just hold the camera for a sec, and I'm actually going to zoom out like this and you'll see what I mean. All right, see how the lights just came on right there? So that's red right there, but if you come in here, let me show you. Let's turn the car on. Not turn it on, but just turn the accessory mode on. And this is the cool part. This is what there's a little switch right here, right? Showed this in a previous video. There's a little switch, but as you can see, you can turn it on, turn it off. Then you can cycle through all the different colors. So you got blue, you got a bright like LED white, black light. This is like, I would say an HID white. Then you have yellow. Then you got the Type R red, like literally the Type R red. You have the yellow. You got like a greenish maybe color. And then this is like a darker green. I know it's not coming out really on the camera, but this is like a blue. It's pretty bright blue. And yeah, back to that white. So I think that's pretty cool. This kit was like maybe 45-50 bucks or something on Amazon. I don't remember exactly, but it's pretty cool. It's by Goobly or something. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I'll throw that link in the description. But it's worth the money. I really do enjoy it. I like it a lot. So anyways, now I wanted to show you this part, what the carbon fiber looks like in the nighttime. I'll also show this in the daytime, but as you can see, this is from Revel Carbon GT. The camera's getting super close to show you that dry carbon weave. All right, and then these are from actually Amazon right here. These little pieces in the steering wheel, and then this is Synth carbon right here. Okay, same with this. As you can see in the nighttime, it's still shines, still reflects. That's the red reflection, red carbon fiber trim over there. Also, that is from Amazon. So yeah, I'm trying to get the camera to go slow so you guys can see it. It's just moving. All right, come over here, driver's side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's definitely there. I think it looks good. Also wanted to show you this little piece. This is also from Synth Carbon. It's a full kit, so you get this piece, you get this piece, and then you get this piece over here. So all three. All right, so also I have the Skunk 2 shift knob. Then I showed you this before. This is from Revel Carbon GT. I added these right here, little shoulder pads from Honda, obviously, right there. Pretty cool with the red seat belts, right? They look good. They match the seats. Okay. Yeah, there's not really much else in the interior that I have added. I wish we can switch this out, right? This whole infotainment system, wish I could just like throw it out the window, put something new in, like, you know, like we did in the old days with those Alpine flip screens, or those Kenwoods, or those Pioneers, you know, etc. Like any of those things would be cool. Compared to this is the worst infotainment system I've ever had in a car, and I said that on my top 5 dislikes. So all right, well, I just wanted to show you that, you guys, the nighttime, and we'll continue on here with the video. So stay tuned. Got more on the way here and more content coming up. All right, you guys, much love and blessings. Don't go anywhere. Yo, you guys, I'm doing this video quick. It is hot as Satan's balls out here. Let me tell you, bro. It is 100 degrees right now in good old AZ. So anyways, let's get back to the video. This is the engine bay. Let's start with the Blitz strut bar. Love it. Does it make really much a difference? No, not really. It's more aesthetics, you know, looks, but it's still cool. I like it for 160 bucks. Why not, right? PRL oil cap, PTP turbo blankets inlet cover, PRL HVI, of course, high volume intake, parent tie down bar over there. Just added the blue HKS. You guys can see it. Let me put the camera up here. Right there, see it down there, blue HKS sock for the brake reservoir. No more leaking or anything. Plus, it just keeps it protected. So yeah, there's that. Probably gonna be adding a little radiator cap, I guess. I don't really know. Maybe I'll do that. I do have a new inlet pipe that's coming up from PRL. Yes, it's going to be titanium blasted, whatever you call it, that that color, you know, that color scheme thing. So yeah, I'm going to add that. Then what else? Probably do this carbon fiber right here. Eventually I want to do all this carbon fiber, make it look nice and fancy. You feel me? As for the exhaust, as you guys know, it's HKS Ligamax. It's beautiful. I love it. I've done many videos with it. Show how it sounds. definitely highly recommend it. Now, what am I adding to it though, right? It's gonna be an RV6 front pipe, ceramic coated, then an RV6 down pipe, catted, ceramic coated. So that will be the full exhaust, basically full bolt-on. Now I want to show you the front mount intercooler and the Purell charge pipe. So here is the HKS front mount intercooler in all its glory. Highly recommend this intercooler. Do not recommend the HKS intercooler kit. Reason I went with down there, as you guys can see, the PRL charge pipe kit. So one section down there, then the other section is in here. It's hard to see, very hard to see. Gotta take the front bumper off and everything. Don't have time to do that, right? What am I adding to the exterior again? APR carbon fiber right here, these sections, adding those for sure. It's like $449, which is a ridiculous price, but it is what it is, right? Everything on this car is expensive. Reminds me exactly of my Mercedes C43 AMG. So yeah, probably gonna do these carbon fiber eventually, the little you know, roof diffusers. Probably do that. And I would have to say that's pretty much it for interior, exterior, what's coming up for mods of the exterior, the engine, what's coming up for mods with that. I'm doing Honda here pretty soon. I got to figure out what tune I'm going with. I might go with FK8 Clinic, Kefimoto, shout out to him one time. Or I might do a variable tune like, you know, Cameron has on his channel. Might try that out. I really like Kefimoto's tunes. I heard they're amazing, so I might be going with him. Try something new and different. Step back so you guys can see Type R with the hood popped, and apparently the front door open. Close that. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to do this video as I don't have any new mods right now, but I wanted to keep you guys updated and just let you be aware of the future content that is coming up for my Type R project. And with all that being said, much love and blessings. I appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel, and hope you guys have a blessed day. Hope you have a great Memorial Day weekend. This is Skylyfe Projects. Keep doing what you do. Stay focused, stay motivated, stay always on your grind. I know I switched something up at the end of the video, but there's some motivation. Love you guys. Next time, I will see you back on this channel.
Balls out, royalties in my team. Only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been. Like Cali, all we do is win. Posted in the valley, cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones.